Hey guys, wanna download offline maps and Google Maps on your mobile device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. And now let's begin. First off, obviously open Google Maps on your device, and now you will be taken on the main page of the Google Maps. Now from here, look at the top right and click on your accounts icon. This action will bring up a pop-up menu, and from there select the offline maps option. Now on this page, just click on the select your own map at the bottom, and now this square will be created. So you have to position the location and the map inside of this square, and when ready, just tap download at the bottom right. But again, make sure that all of the locations that you want to save are inside of this square. Now, again, simply click on the download option at the bottom right and wait until the map installs. Now the saved offline map will be located in the same offline maps menu, and you can also update it when it's probably old just by clicking on the three dots right next to it and selecting the update option. Now you can also rename it, so just click on the rename option, and for example, you can give it a name of the area or of the city. For example, in my case, it would be Prague. Now, if it is an unuseful map, just tap on the three dots again and select the delete option right here and confirm in this pop-up menu. Now, this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.